any Aston Martin should be an event. A DB6 is probably the best of that classic Aston Martin. It's a true Grand Tourer. The boot's a little bit bigger than the DB5. You've got rear seat accommodation. And the Mark II has power steering, more comfy seats, radial ply tyres. The flared wheel arches just stand it away from the standard car. Being 1971, it is literally at the end of the David Brown era. I mean, it's if you're looking for a car that kind of celebrates his ownership of the company, this is kind of it. DB6 Mark II, you know, it's just such an icon, and obviously the last car of that David Brown era, and only 245 cars were ever manufactured. Lots of those have been modified over the years. Not so many of them are original with their original engine numbers as this car is. But of course, this car comes with almost every MOT, and is only 2 owners from new in its original colour scheme and the original trim still in the car, having covered a mere 61,000 miles in all that time. The car's really nice. I mean, the engine's lovely, and beautiful gearbox, and lovely weight of the clutch as you go down through the gears. And it's a car that does talk to you as you drive along. You know, you can feel it. Actually, I really enjoyed this car. Just give it a little stretch its legs to 60 miles an hour. You can hear the roar of the induction. If you're interested, please do get in touch with the sales team, or myself, of course, and I'd be very happy to arrange an appointment for you to come and look at the car.